Do you want to know?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm blizzyivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. So on this video, I want to show you guys how to make your rice water for your massive hair growth. Here I have my rice, here I have my white rice, and I have 3 tablespoons of white rice. You should use white rice and a jar. So guys, the next thing is to wash the rice with little salt just to remove impurity. Make sure there is no dirty in the rice before soaking it. So we throw this water away. So this is the rice, it has been washed and rinsed. So the next thing we'll do is to put it in this jar. So we'll fill the jar with water. You have to soak it for 24 hours before spraying it on your hair. And if you want to use it on your hair, you can use it after shampooing your hair, or you can use it before shampooing your hair, but I prefer using it after shampooing my hair. Then I will rinse it out with warm water. So this is how the rice water looks like after 24 hours. You can see there is a difference. So what we do now is to separate the water from the rice. You don't need the rice anymore, it's only the rice water you will need. With this spray bottle, it will be easier for you to spray your hair and you get to the scalp. And if you don't have this one, you can use this smaller one here to spray your hair. You can get them at the supermarket. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also you can share this video. See you next time in my next video. Bye.